Hi, I'm Professor James Clark. You might remember that last year I released an album of 20 Christmas songs to celebrate the festive period. Since its release in November, we have had over 17,000 listens on the playlist, and we have raised over £2,500 for my chosen charity, Prostate Cancer UK, a charity very close to my heart. So, the Christmas season might be over, your stockings are no longer hanging up and your Christmas trees are either back in the loft or in the dump. However, prostate cancer still kills thousands of men every year. So we're still raising money for this very valuable cause. If you have some Christmas cash left over or you have deep pockets, I would really ask you to donate to this cancer charity. You can use the links in the description below to donate to my Just Giving page. We've so far, as I said, raised over £2,500, and my original plan was to try and raise £3,000. So come on, let's see if we can do it together. I wish you a very happy new year, and thank you very much.